Welcome friends and fellow meat enthusiasts to the Steak Wolf channel. We're always trying to up our meat cutting and cooking game and sharing our findings with you. We're always trying to save you a buck and help you improve upon your methods. Today is episode 5 in the series that we've been calling Butcher Brain. This will be the video that concludes the series that's been not just about how to cook meat, not just about how to cut meat, but how professionals actually think about meat. Because once you understand that, inconvenient Rottweiler attack. Because once you understand that, the whole system starts to make more sense. So today, I want to wrap this series up with something simple. 5 rules that butchers live by. If you understand these 5 things, you'll look at meat different for the rest of your life. Now, these aren't complicated. Most of them are actually pretty simple. Simple doesn't mean obvious. Most people were never taught this stuff. So if you remember nothing else from this series, remember these. The first rule is this: understand the muscle. Every cut of meat comes from a muscle that had a job on the animal. Some muscles work all day, some barely move. The ones that work hard build connective tissue. That means more flavor, but also more toughness. And once you understand that, something clicks. You stop asking, is this cut good? You start asking, how should this be cooked? That one shift in thinking changes everything. This leads right into rule number 2. Match the cooking method to the cut. Tender cuts like high heat and short cooking. Working muscles like time and patience. That's why some of the best meals in the world come from cuts people used to call cheap. They just need the right treatment. Once you understand that, the whole animal opens up to you. Rule number 3 is something I wish more people understood. Price doesn't automatically mean quality. Price usually reflects demand, not superiority. Certain cuts are popular, so they get expensive. But popularity doesn't mean that the rest of the animal is somehow inferior. In fact, some of the most flavorful cuts are the ones most people walk right past. When you understand meat, you start seeing opportunity where other people see leftovers. Rule number 4. Simple beats complicated. There's a lot of noise in the food world right now. Marinades, techniques, trends. But when it comes down to it, good meat only needs 4 things: salt, heat, time, and rest. That's it. If you understand those 4 things, you could cook almost any cut well. And the funny part is, the more you understand meat, the simpler your cooking usually becomes. To me, the last rule, rule 5, is probably the most important. Respect the animal. That means using more than just the trendy cuts. It means learning how to cook things that aren't always convenient. It means not wasting what you buy. An animal gave a lot more than just steaks. And when you learn how to use more of it, you're not just saving money, you're doing it the right way. So if you've put all 5 of these together, that's really what the entire Butcher Brain series comes down to. Understand the muscle. Match the cooking method. Don't chase price tags. Keep it simple. Respect the animal. When you start thinking this way, something interesting happens. Buying meat gets easier, cooking gets easier, and you stop feeling like you need somebody else to tell you what's good. That's really the point of this series. Confidence. Not because you bought the right thing, but because you understand what you are doing. And once you understand meat, it doesn't matter if it's a premium cut or something people overlook. Handled right, it's going to be good. Thanks for sticking with me through this series. Next week we'll start something new. Thanks. See you then. Tired now, are you? You get sleepy disrupting the show constantly.